Wagwan, spiritual family. It's your man Scuba Speaks, Mr. Truly Unruly. Here to help you guys escape the matrix so we can unlock our superhuman powers. You did. Now, I appreciate it so much if you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If not, oh well, we ain't tripping. And for my spiritual speakers, thank you for returning. You are loved, you are blessed. Big up yourself, man. Yes, sir. We're gonna get right into this video. I ain't gonna hold you up too long, man. It's Monday. I know y'all wanna get back to y'all, whatever y'all do on Mondays, I don't know. I just got out of work recently, so I decided to give a little motivation on Monday. You know what I'm saying? A little motivation on this day, man. It's been a gloomy day today with these fake clouds, and it was like all foggy and shit this morning, so I figured, let me bring some positive energy, man. I know it's been like kind of down, everybody been a little down. Let's bring it up, man. Let's get some positive shit going on, you know what I'm saying? So, first things first, I want to say again, I love you guys so much for being here. Thank you for taking out your time on your busy day to watch me talk my shit, you know what I'm saying? So, salute to you guys out there. Hopefully, whatever you got going on in your life, there's been like troubling times, something struggling, something kind of getting in your way, something you feel like it's like a lot of friction, it's real tense and you can't just break through that shit. Man, keep going, bro. I'm telling you, man, just keep going. It's going to be so worth it when you finally break through because, like I said in my last video I made called Commit Don't Quit, this is going to be basically like the part 2 to that. I love my job, bro. I love my new job. It's pretty much just real simply where I told my wife, it's pretty much like adult Legos. Like I get these big panels, you know what I'm saying? And you just kind of like drill the holes in wherever it's supposed to go. Look at the little, and give you a little layout or blueprint of exactly where all the nuts and bolts go. You know what I'm saying? Drill that shit in, put on a pallet, shrink wrap it, and then the dude with the forklift come pick it up, move it to the next department. It's real easy, man. I love this shit. It's just so like I have one responsibility, which I appreciate because at my old job, like I told you before, they had me doing all kinds of shit, other people's shit, and I wasn't really getting no kind of like, not only recognition, but like praise for, no, I don't really necessarily need the praise, but I was kind of getting like condemned for not doing their shit, but when I do my shit, you know, it goes unnoticed, you know, so I definitely appreciate where I'm at now. I'm actually doing like a good cause as far as we build the cages that go inside of the, outside of those generators for like kids, hospitals and whatnot, so if they lose all their power, you know, so we come through with the whoop whoop, and then they back and going, so shout out to them. It was only real challenging part of my job is getting up in the morning, but it's not that hard for me, especially because I just like waking up in the morning. Like I like seeing, you know, the sun, because in my old job I didn't really get to see the sun that much, so now I get to wake up and then the sun rises and I could just, you feel me? So that's all cool. This is basically like my 2 weeks of being there, so I ain't want to just hit you with a first day on the job, everybody do that, but I'm like, nah, let me get a good 2 weeks in, you know what I'm saying, so I can really get a good feel for what it is. So with that being said, I'm gonna go back to you guys and hopefully get you motivated to go out and get it, man. Whatever it is that you want, man, just go trust the universe, man. Trust the universe, dog. I'm telling you. Once you lose faith in the universe, you lose faith in everything else. I'm not asking you to be faithful to your religion and whatnot like that. I'm not telling you don't be either. You know, do whatever you do, but in the same breath, I need you to really pay attention to how you feel on the inside, and if something resonates, whether or not it be the job you're at, the relationship you're in, whatever. If you want to become a better version of yourself, let's commit to doing good each and every day. Let's just be perfect. We make every excuse why we can't be perfect because only God is perfect. But I told y'all before, we are the gods. So we are the gods, therefore we should be perfect in everything we do. But with perfect, that does not mean you can't be flawed. Y'all got that confused. There are gonna be some parts of this where you're gonna have some bad days, some good days, but you need a perfect balance. Your life should be a perfect harmony of good and bad, you know, your higher self and your lower self, you know, and the heart chakra is the one that's kind of divided into two. So whatever your heart is at the time, that's what part of your body you're going to activate. You know what I'm saying? When they show, you know what I'm saying, good versus evil, or the devil on one side of your shoulder and, you know, the angel on the other side, that shit is true. That's for real. The devil is you and God is you. You're both of them. But it just depends on which one you want to activate. It's on you, but you got to commit to it, man, because no one's going to do it for you. You got to do it your damn self. You can't be sitting around waiting on somebody to help get you out of your hard situation or just, you know what I'm saying, whether it be down, broke, man, like everybody getting money, I ain't got no money, da-da-da. But you sitting at home smoking weed right now, watching either me or some other shit. how you gonna get money then? You feel me? Put that shit down. Get on Indeed or LinkedIn. Bro, there's so many job searches out there that there's no excuse if you don't have a job. If you don't have a job today, you really just lazy as fuck. You don't want it. You don't want it. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't throwing no shade towards nobody, but if the shoe fit, then you need to quit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just that simple, bro. We always find ways to finesse ourselves out of doing something we know we should be doing because, oh, that's going to be too hard, or that's going to take too long, da-da-da-da-da. Versus if you just put that first step forward, you start to realize, damn, that wasn't that bad at all. I could have been did this. What was I waiting on? And that's how I feel where I'm in my life, especially spiritually, you know. I've been putting things off that I should have been got on, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing it right now, which is clearing off space on my laptop so I can start putting shit on my GoPro, start recording my GoPro, I can start vlogging for you guys and do more like nature posts because I don't want to do everything in this room. Like, don't get me wrong, I love being in this room. I got my chakra crystals lined up still here. You probably can't really see it, ain't focusing right, but that's all right, it's still there. But I do want to get back out in nature so I can record for you guys if it's like a good day. Today wouldn't be a good day because it's so gloomy and shit out there. But yeah, man, get that light that I've been telling myself I need to get. So when I do record in the room, I can have that light that's shining on me, you feel me? So my skin be glowing for y'all. And y'all can be like, damn, he do look like a god, ain't he? We all God, we all angelic, man. Well, I'm just trying to remind you, we are all angels, man. But if you're not careful, you can be abducted by these dark energies, these dark spirits, and they will persuade you to not go after what you want in life. They won't have you going hard in the paint. You're going to be sitting back on the bench, just letting time pass you by. You know what I'm saying? Never give up, man. Whatever your dreams are, whatever your goals are, continue to go for it every single day. Even if it seems like it's not going anywhere, trust me, the universe is waiting on you. But you have to keep going because it knows where your heart is at. If it can sense you're about to give up, you're not going to get it, man. But once they know, okay, he's there, she's ready, that's when you get it. You don't get things when you want them. You get them when you're prepared and when you are deserving of it. So you have to put in the work, the inner work first because, you know, as above, so below, and as without, so within. So if you're not operating at a positive vibration internally, how the hell do you expect the universe to bless you with these material things or whatever it is in the nature that you want to do? You know what I'm saying? That just literally doesn't make any sense. You have to go hard at all. You see my boy Pat, my homeboy, last night? If y'all watch football, boy, the Texans were putting it on their ass, ain't them? It was like 24-0, I think in the first quarter or second quarter, whatever it was. It was like 24-0. They came back and smacked their ass like, what it was, 51-31? Now that's how you commit, don't quit, right there. I can't make no better analogy than what my boy Pat, my homeboy, did last night for the Chiefs against the Texans, man. That should be the reason why y'all don't ever give up. Because once you look like you down and out and there's no chance, there's no way in hell you're going to be able to come back, look what he just did. That boy, man, he unlocked God mode last night. You know, it's not just him. I ain't going to put it all on him because it's a team sport, obviously. The whole team came around him and elevated him. You feel me? So if you're around a team that doesn't elevate you to commit to something you actually want to do with your life and chase after your dreams, bro, get them out of your circle. It's that simple. Cut them off. Next. We ain't got time for that. Only surround yourself by positive energy. Family members, sometimes they can be very toxic. Get them out of your circle, bro. Next. I don't have time for that. I'm only here to raise my awareness, raise my level of consciousness, and those around me. If you're not on that, next. You feel me? So, just like I said, a little motivation for you guys. Hopefully you can let this message spread throughout the rest of your week. And I might, if y'all like this, give me a whole bunch of thumbs up. Man, not a whole bunch. I ain't greedy like that. But give me some thumbs up to let me know that this probably be something I should look forward to doing more Mondays. Just a little motivational Monday speech. And something short and sweet. I don't want to go too deep with the spirituality of it. Just simply reminding you guys, hey, you're doing good. If no one told you recently, I'm very proud of you because what you're doing, especially if it's something good, your future self will thank you for. And that's what it should all be about. You know what I'm saying? Preparing yourself right now. That way your future self can be like, damn, man, thank you so much for doing what you did back in, early 2020, man. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you. You doing this, not that guy, this guy. You're doing it. So give yourself more credit, man. Don't be so hard on yourself. Keep pushing, keep going, you know what I'm saying? And just watch your dreams come true. It's that simple. I'm going to leave y'all with that, man. I love you guys. Like I said, I hope all is well. Hope you can continue to be your greatest version each and every day. Spread love, spread positivity, man. That's the only way we're going to get out of this matrix, dog. I love y'all. Raise your level of awareness and vibrations and, good energy, good vibes, all that good stuff, man. School Speaks, man. Spiritual speakers. We out here.